Welcome to online classes student. Today in our maths class, as we are doing our chapter 8 revision, right? Revision for our test 2. In the test 2, right, the equation just like this, we come 1, 2, 3 or 4. So students, this one is your add sum, how you have to do the add sum, okay, in addition. So simple, what we have to do, you can do on your copy that you have only 30 minutes. In 30 minutes you have to cover all your sums, right? 25 questions are there and 1 mark for 1 question, right? So if you choose the correct one, you will get 1 mark. This point I am always repeat for you, just because that you will be careful at your on the time of your test. Okay. So students, if you want to do in an explanation method, so you can do simple that rupee section and that is paisa section. Okay, so 87 rupees are here, 87 will be here, and the next rupees are 31. Okay, 31 will be here. Now come to paisa. Okay, so 30 paisa, then 79 paisa, and now there is no paisa, so we will take 0 here and we have to do the addition. You can do this addition by this method if you want to do, or you can do one thing more. How? See, just you have to take a paisa section. Okay, these are paisa. See students, very carefully. This is paisa section. Okay, now this is 0, this is 9 and this is 1. Okay, when we plus 0, 9, 0. Okay, now we have to see that there is nothing, no paisa, so we will take a 0 paisa. Okay, now we have to plus them 0, 9, okay, and 0. So what will be the answer of the addition of this equation is 9, right? So we can simply see that which one is 9. Is there anywhere that is 9? Yes, this one. Okay, now we have to confirm that this one is really the answer of this equation. So what we will do, we will take another step of our second equation, which one is 3 and 7. When we plus 7, 7 and 3, 7. Okay, this one 8, 9, 10. So we have 10, right? Which means here will be 0 and here go to 1. So now you can see this one is our right answer, because the last digit, the paisa digit is 09. So easily we can guess the answer by this only 2 digits. So you have to do quickly if you want to do quickly these sums. Okay, so you can do these sums like by this method. By doing the last digit addition, you can solve this equation. Okay, for example, that these equations are all same. Okay, the all equations are same. Here is also 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9. Just suppose, it's just to suppose that every paisa's equation is 0, 9. The answer is 0, 9. So what we have to do, we have to solve this third one, which means the rupee section we have to solve it, beta. So when we solve this equation, now here is 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. 11 go carry. Okay, now we can compare this. If the two digits are same and the third digit are 1, so which one is the right answer? The first one is our right answer. So by this method you can quickly solve your sums. You have to remember all these things. I know these all things are very too confusable for you, but students, let me clear you that these kind of tricky methods for you in this age, that will be beneficial for you to do these kind of addition very quickly method. Okay, in the objective type question, these are very important to do the equations very quickly. Okay, in the fastest manner. So this one is our the addition sum. If the equation will come to in test like this, and the answers are given like this, and you have to choose the one. So how you can choose it? By doing this kind of addition. Okay, you can do this longer method or explanation method. By this you will get the proper answer, or you can do the one thing that you can take the paisa section firstly. When we add the paisa section, we can guess by the paisa that which one is our correct answer. Okay, so this one is enough for you. Okay, we have done this. Now students, one more equation which is related to our addition we will do this on board also. Okay. And as I always say to you that please prepare yourself for your examination, because now the chapters are fraction and money. In the money section I will give you the statement equation, because the three chapters, which means three exercises, are related to our statement sum, where we have to do the addition, multiplication, division and subtraction, right? So these four kind of statements will come and you have to solve it. And how you have to solve it? You have to do the practice, then you will know that how we have to do this in a fastest method. Okay, so let's do the other one. The other one is for example, okay, now okay, I will take the 62.32. This one is from our addition, the third part. Okay, third part addition, and the sum is 60 rupees 62.32 paisa plus 70 rupees plus 80 paisa plus 70 rupees 0.10 paisa. Now let's do how to solve it. Let's say this one. Students, remember we have to understand that equation, the equation which is given to us. Firstly, look at that equation, which is just like I can say similarly that equation is given to your test, that is okay like this. Firstly, understand that what kind of statement it is. Okay, now you can see here is 1 2 3 4. So 4 amount given to us and we have to add this one. 4 amount is given to us. Just like you can see here is paisa. Okay, there is no paisa, so we can suppose that there is no paisa, so we will take here 0. Now you can see here is 80 paisa. Now rupees are not there, so we will take rupees as 0. Okay, now rupees take as 0. Now come to this point on the fourth rupee statement, which one is 50 rupees 0.10 paisa. Okay, now you can imagine that the answers are just like given to us here, that A, B, C and D. And you can see the as I said that by the fastest method, right? By the fastest method, how we have to solve this one. So you can see the paisa section is same of all the answers. So how we will take this quickly, right? So student, don't worry. We just have to take this look. That is 32, right? That is 70, and that is 80 paisa. 32, 80 paisa, 10 paisa, which means it become 22, right? The answer we have taken. Firstly, we can take that rupees. Now come to rupees section. Okay, this is 70. There is no rupees, so we will take 0. Here is 50. So you can look, that is 22, right? Why? Here is 32. Okay, 32, and here is 0. Then which means we only add 32, 80 and 10. 32, 80 and 10. Okay. 2, 0, 0, 0 and 3, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 and 12. 12, 1 will be here. Okay. 2 will be here because 2 is here. So this one is 22. 1 going to carry. Firstly, by doing this 2 and 3. So here is 3. The third digit we have now. So you can see which one in this statement. See, here is 3 here, right? Which means the two sums, which means two answers are incorrect. Which answers are incorrect? The first answer is incorrect, right? Because 1, 3 is here, right? And 22 is here. So which means this, the answer will be this one or this one. So we have to take a look on this. Okay. We plus this one, this become 3. 7 and 3. 7 and 6 and 5. We have to see. See students, this 6 and 5 become 11. 11 and 7 become 18. 18. Now you can see which answer is correct. This one. 18, 3, 22 rupees 183.22 paisa. So this one is correct. So by this kind of method you have to solve your sums. So student, be prepared for yourself for these kind of exams, because these are very important for us. Okay, so we have done this. Firstly, just add the paisa Okay, when we add the paisa, you can see in your equation answers, the answers are given to us. Okay, when we see that paisa is right, paisa answer is there in any answer column, right, A, B or C, then tick that one. If the paisa section is equal, which means they are same, then what you have to do, we have to quickly add the rupee section. Okay, then you will get the answer fastly. Okay, so by this method you can solve your sum. Okay student, now we get that the equation 1. So let's do the other, which means that is find the difference. Now we are going to find the difference of subtraction. Now we need the subtraction. So here we have rupees 75.80 paise and 29.21 paise. So here is rupees 75.80 and rupees 29.21. For example, okay, suppose I have given the answer here and we have to solve it quickly as we always do. Okay, these are our answers. Okay, we have to choose the one. So example, how we have to choose this. Okay, now there is a question that how we can choose this one from these answers, the equation answers, right? This one is question given to us and we have to choose the correct answer. How we will do? Because this one is a subtraction. How we will quickly do the subtraction? For example, here is 0 and here is 10. We can, as I said, that rupee section and paisa section we have to divide first. If we have to see. Now we have 80 and 21. I will take here 80 and 21. Right? I have taken here paisa section. This one is my paisa section. Okay students, paisa. Here is paise. Okay. Now you can see when I minus this one. 8 give to 1 to 10, it's become 9 and it's become 7. When we minus 2 from 7, how much we have? 59. So in the answers you can see that the 59 where we have a 59 paisa, here is the 59 paisa. So quickly we can guess that the first answer is right. So our first answer is right. You can do by you're doing your explanation method, you will get the answer same. Okay, by this method, by quick method, we can solve our sum in just 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, that will be beneficial for you. Okay, so how we have save our time to do the more explanations. So this one is the first one. Let's do the other one. By the other examples we can learn that how we have to do all these sums. Students, if you have any problem regarding your sums, regarding your statement sum, regarding any chapter regarding fraction and money, okay, because these two chapters are related to your assessment 2, right? Assessment 2, unit test 2. Okay, so test 2, these kind of question will come and you have to give the answer. So quickly we will do one more question related to this one, which means subtraction, right? Okay, for example, now I am going to take 10065 from 500. So firstly, look at this sum. What you are getting from it, from this sum? That we have to minus this unit of paisa by this unit of paisa. Okay, we have to subtract it, this unit of paisa from this one, because this one is greatest, so we have to minus this one. Okay, so as I give you answer, objective type answers are just like firstly is 300.0 35. Okay, and then I will give you 399.35. Okay, now this here is okay 0.30, and here will be 1.16.33. So here are some answers are given to us, like this kind of question will come to you, and which one you have to share. So firstly, if there is 500, we can take easily. Here is 100, okay, here is 65, which means there is no paisa. So simple is 5 will give 2, 10 is become 9, it's become 9, it's become 9, it's become 10. When we minus 10 by 5, how much we have? 5. 9 by 6, how much we have? 3. Here will be 3. Now we can know that the two options are right for us. The two options are right according to paisa. Which one is? A and 2. So now we have two options. Okay. So we have two options here. So now we have two options. Now these two answers we have to select the one answer, right? So just now we can see here is 9. So we will take a 9. So where we have 9? Here we have 9. Okay. So we can guess quickly that which one is our right answer. The B is our right answer. So students, by this method you have to solve all your sums. Okay, you have only 30 minutes and 25 questions are given to you in unit test 2. So be careful and do practice at your home. Thank you.